Come on, work together. I want to work together with you.
And now this is the main guy. Please go on.
So now I want to tell you why you should join VSHR Pro Academy.
This is what an important role. You don't interview this guy. He runs the show.
The day you walk in the organization, if you've been already joining the team, from the first day you will know what is your career path, what you're going to look like, your career in first 3 years, after 5 years, after 7 years, you will know all about it. So every role in VSHR Pro Academy we have has a very clear roadmap. So you have a full opportunity to grow your career. You will never be stuck in one role. You have a lot of opportunity to move on. But not only that, you just don't need to be hungry, but also we will give you so many training and support to go into the next role, because you will clearly know what exactly you need to do, what exactly skill you need to develop to go to the next level in your career in VSHR Pro Academy. Exactly, you know, and you will try to get it, and we will give you all the skills. It will make your life an exciting journey. Every day will be something for you to wake up in the morning because you have something exciting thing to do about. So if you're watching this video, go to the link and apply for VSHR Pro Academy. And you know what? Come over. Let's work together. Apply right now and let's have a conversation. And I would love to work with you. We want to see you in our team. All the best.
Because in that moment, we are not only supposed to be selling the company, but also to show the culture. People should be excited up front that they will go to work with us.